Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're talking about something that's totally changing the game for marketers, generative AI. Seriously, it's like having a creative genius on your team 24/7. But here's the thing, without any rules, that genius could accidentally leak your entire business strategy or create content that's just, well, completely wrong for your brand. So let's get into how you build the guardrails to let you innovate with AI but do it safely. And just so you know where we're getting our information, this whole explainer comes straight from Chapter 9 of the tutorial from Virtualization Options LLC. Right now, for a lot of marketing teams out there, it kind of feels like the AI Wild West. Everybody's rushing out to stake their claim, trying new tools, new techniques, and the energy, it's awesome, but it's also pretty chaotic. There's no sheriff, there are no laws, and that can lead to some real trouble down the line. Which brings us to this really important question. You've got all this incredible power right at your fingertips, but no rules of the road? I mean, what could possibly go wrong? As you can probably guess, the answer is a whole lot. And look, these aren't just some abstract risks. Imagine a junior marketer super excited about a cool new AI tool, just pasting a list of your top customers into it to whip up some email copy. Boom, they've just created a massive data breach. Or what about an AI-generated social media post that goes viral for all the wrong reasons and totally torpedoes your brand's values? These are the kinds of things that destroy years of customer trust in a single afternoon. So, how do we bring a little law and order to this AI Wild West? Simple. We need a rule book. We need a clear, solid set of AI governance policies that turns all that chaos into a structured space where people can actually innovate safely. And let's be really clear about something. When we say governance, we're not talking about bureaucracy. This isn't about slowing people down or killing creativity. Not at all. It's the framework that makes sure you're using AI responsibly, securely, and in a way that actually helps your business win. It's the foundation for actually succeeding with AI long term. So what does this rulebook actually look like? Well, it's got 4 main parts. First, you've got to decide who actually gets to say yes to new AI tools. Second, you make a list of approved, safe tools that everyone can use. Third, and this one is huge, you set super clear rules for how to handle data. And fourth, you create a process for approving new ways to use AI, especially the riskier ideas. Okay, this right here, this is where the rubber really meets the road. This table shows you exactly how to classify your data and set rules for each type. Public info? Go nuts. But your confidential customer data? Whoa, that has to be anonymized before it ever gets near an AI tool. And your super secret restricted data? That's a hard no. A simple chart like this is one of the most powerful tools you have to prevent data breaches. So, you've got your rule book. Great. But how do you make sure people are actually, following the rules? That's where compliance monitoring comes in. Think of it like a neighborhood watch for your AI usage. It's a system for keeping an eye on things and making sure everyone's staying safe. Good monitoring isn't just one thing. It's a few different layers working together. You can use automated tools that catch problems in real time. You can do regular audits to see how people are really using AI. And maybe the most important part, you can build a culture where people feel safe putting their hand up and saying, hey, I think I might have messed up. It's about combining tech, process, and culture to create a real safety net. And this chart makes a really powerful point. Monitoring is not just about the tech. Yeah, the technical controls are a big piece of the pie, about 40%, but that's not the whole story. You also need those regular audits. That's another 35%. And look at this. A full quarter of your effort has to be on building a strong culture. That means training, clear communication, and getting everyone on board with using AI the right way. All right, so you've got rules and you've got a monitoring system. But what happens when you need to prove you've been following those rules? That's where this last piece comes in. The paper trail. Having clear documentation and audit trails is absolutely essential for accountability and for proving you're doing the right thing. Just think of an audit trail as a digital breadcrumb trail. It's a super detailed record of every single action taken with an AI tool. If something goes wrong, you can follow that trail back and see exactly what happened, who did it, and when. And believe me, if a regulator ever comes knocking, that audit trail is going to be your best friend. A really great way to make sure your documentation is solid is to just follow the 4 W's. Your records should be able to clearly answer what was done, who did it, when did it happen, and, this one's critical, why was this decision made? If you can answer those 4 questions for everything you do with AI, you are golden. Okay, we've covered a lot: policies, monitoring, documentation, and it might start to feel like we're just putting the brakes on all the fun stuff. But I want you to look at this from a totally different angle. Let's zoom out for a second and see the big picture here. This is the key takeaway. Good AI governance isn't about saying no. It's about creating a framework that lets you say yes with confidence. It's the difference between driving on a dangerous mountain road with no guardrails and driving on that same road with guardrails that let you go fast because you know you're safe. Governance is what turns AI from a risky experiment into a real, sustainable competitive advantage. So now you have the blueprint. The path forward is actually pretty clear. The only question left is your organization ready for it? Are you ready to be the person who brings order to the Wild West and helps your company unlock the true power of AI?